If you've ever been jolted awake by a sudden leg cramp or felt like your muscles just won't cooperate, you know how frustrating it can be. The good news? What you eat plays a big role in keeping your muscles strong and cramps at bay. Today, we're talking about 3 everyday foods that can help seniors stay active and avoid those painful cramps. Stay tuned. This could be a game changer for your comfort and mobility. Before we jump in, I'd love to hear from you. Let me know where you're watching from in the comments below. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our health tips. Now, let's start with a simple food you probably already have in your kitchen: eggs. Eggs might seem ordinary, but they're packed with nutrients that fight leg cramps. Here's how they work. First, muscle weakness and fatigue are common causes of cramps, especially as we age. Eggs are loaded with high-quality protein, about 6 grams per egg, which helps repair and strengthen muscles. This is super important for seniors because age-related muscle loss, called sarcopenia, can make cramps worse. Eating eggs regularly helps rebuild those muscles, making them less likely to spasm. But there's more to eggs than just protein. They also contain vitamin D, which many seniors don't get enough of. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, which keeps bones strong and muscles working smoothly. Without enough vitamin D, muscles can become weak and prone to cramping. While sunlight is the best source of vitamin D, eggs, especially the yolks, give you a small boost. Pair them with foods like fortified milk, yogurt, or fatty fish like salmon to hit your daily needs. And don't forget vitamin B12, another key nutrient in eggs. B12 keeps your nerves healthy, which helps your brain and muscles communicate properly. When that communication breaks down, cramps can happen. By including eggs in your meals, you're giving your body the tools it needs to keep muscles relaxed and responsive. Of course, eggs alone won't solve everything. If you're still struggling with cramps, talk to your doctor about checking your vitamin D levels or whether a supplement might help. And try to get outside for a few minutes each day. Vitamin B12 in eggs, the nerve-protecting powerhouse. Let's talk about vitamin B12. It's like the behind-the-scenes hero for your nerves. When B12 levels drop, your nerve signals get fuzzy, kind of like a bad phone connection. This can lead to muscle spasms, tingling, and those annoying cramps that keep you up at night. Here's where eggs come in. They're packed with B12 and another nutrient called choline. Together, these two work like a repair team for your nerves. They help protect the coating around your nerves, think of it like insulation on a wire, and make sure your muscles and nerves chat smoothly. This teamwork means fewer misfired signals and fewer cramps, especially for older adults or folks with diabetes who might deal with nerve-related cramps. Why seniors need extra B12? As we age, our bodies don't absorb B12 as well, thanks to less stomach acid and medications like metformin or acid reflux pills. Plus, if you're cutting back on meat or dairy, it's easy to fall short. Low B12 doesn't just cause cramps. It can lead to weakness, numbness, or even anemia, which starves your muscles of oxygen. Eggs are a simple fix. They're easy on the stomach and give you a steady dose of B12 without the heaviness of red meat. Even for vegetarians who eat dairy, eggs are a go-to for keeping B12 levels up. How many eggs are safe? You might have heard eggs get a bad rap for cholesterol, but here's the good news. For most healthy seniors, eating 6 to 7 eggs a week is perfectly fine. Studies show it doesn't mess with cholesterol levels for most people. If you've got heart issues or high cholesterol, check with your doctor first. But swapping processed meats like bacon for eggs can still be a smart move. Ever get those brutal leg cramps in the middle of the night? They're often tied to tired muscles, wonky mineral levels, or grumpy nerves. Eggs tackle all 3. They've got protein to repair muscles, B12 to calm nerves, and vitamin D to keep everything working smoothly. Try adding an egg to your dinner or breakfast. It's like giving your body a nighttime shield against cramps. A few caveats. If you have kidney disease, you might need to ease up on protein, so ask your doctor about egg portions. For folks watching cholesterol, stick to egg whites. They're all protein, no yolk. And if you're diabetic, pair eggs with fiber-rich foods like veggies or whole grains to keep blood sugar steady. The bottom line. For most older adults, eggs are a no-brainer. They're cheap, easy to cook, and pack a punch for muscle and nerve health. Aim for those 6 to 7 eggs a week, mix them with greens or a slice of whole grain toast, and don't forget to drink water. It all adds up to happier, cramp-free muscles. Next time you're whipping up breakfast, toss an egg on that plate. Your legs might just thank you later. And speaking of simple fixes, stay tuned. Up next, we're talking about another everyday superstar. Bananas, the nighttime cramp killer you already love. Let's talk bananas. Those yellow wonders aren't just for smoothies. If you've ever been jolted awake by a leg cramp, bananas might become your new bedtime snack. Here's why. First off, potassium. This mineral is like the peacekeeper for your muscles. When potassium runs low, muscles get twitchy and nerves send mixed signals, recipe for cramps. One banana packs about 420 milligrams of potassium, which helps keep muscles calm, nerves chatting clearly, and fluids balanced. For seniors, eating a banana or two daily can seriously cut down on those midnight calf attacks. But it's not just potassium. Bananas also bring magnesium to the party. Magnesium is the chill pill mineral. It tells muscles to relax, helps your body make energy, and keeps potassium and calcium in check. Many older adults don't get enough magnesium, especially if they're on blood pressure meds or eat less than they used to. Pair bananas with nuts or spinach, and you've got a cramp-fighting duo. Now, let's talk bedtime. Night cramps love to strike when you're finally relaxed. Bananas fight back with potassium, magnesium, and natural sugars that keep you hydrated. Try eating one an hour before bed. It's like giving your legs a safety net against spasms. And don't forget vitamin B6. This unsung hero in bananas keeps your nerves sharp, cuts inflammation, and helps blood carry oxygen to tired muscles. Skimp on B6, and cramps get louder. One banana gives you nearly a third of what seniors need daily. Of course, bananas aren't magic pills. If you've got kidney issues, check with your doc first. Too much potassium can be tricky. But for most folks, they're a cheap, tasty fix. Mash them on toast, blend them into oatmeal, or just peel and go. Bottom line, bananas are nature's cramp insurance. Pair them with water, hydration matters, and maybe a handful of almonds, and you're giving your muscles the love they deserve. Bananas help with hydration, but they work best when you drink enough water too. If cramps hit because you're dehydrated, water is just as important as bananas. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Pair bananas with water or coconut water. It's loaded with electrolytes to keep fluids and minerals balanced and stop dehydration-related cramps. How many bananas? For most seniors, one banana a day gives enough potassium and magnesium to keep muscles happy. If cramps are a constant battle, try 2. But bananas have natural sugars, so if you have diabetes, enjoy them in smaller amounts and pair them with fiber-rich foods like nuts or whole grains to keep blood sugar steady. Bottom line, one banana daily, plenty of water, and a balanced diet can slash cramp frequency. Nuts and seeds. Bananas and leafy greens get most of the attention for fighting cramps, but nuts and seeds are just as powerful. They're packed with magnesium, potassium, protein, and healthy fats, all of which help relax muscles, improve blood flow, and balance electrolytes. Let's look at how almonds, pumpkin seeds, cashews, and other nuts can keep seniors' muscles strong and cramp-free. Many seniors don't get enough magnesium, which makes them more prone to painful leg cramps. Nuts and seeds are some of the easiest ways to fix that. For example, a small handful of pumpkin seeds gives you 40% of your daily magnesium needs, while almonds or cashews provide about 20%. Eating a small portion daily helps restore magnesium levels, keeping muscles relaxed and healthy. While bananas are famous for potassium, nuts and seeds also deliver this key mineral. A handful of pistachios has 290 milligrams of potassium, almonds pack 200 milligrams, and cashews offer 160 milligrams. Electrolytes like magnesium and potassium get lost through sweat, so refueling with nuts or seeds after activity helps muscles recover and stops cramps before they start. Nuts and seeds also work because they're loaded with healthy fats that reduce muscle inflammation, walnuts and flax seeds are especially good for this. The protein in nuts repairs muscles, and better blood flow means muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay strong. For seniors, adding a handful of nuts to meals or snacks keeps cramps at bay and muscles working smoothly. Nuts like almonds and cashews have healthy fats that boost blood flow. Better circulation means fewer leg cramps, especially those annoying nighttime ones. Eating nuts regularly keeps things moving and cuts down on cramp flare-ups. Now, what about inflammation? Turns out, nuts and seeds are packed with stuff that fights it. Chronic inflammation wears muscles down, making cramps and soreness worse. But walnuts, flax seeds, and almonds have antioxidants that calm inflammation, help muscles heal faster, and keep them healthy long term. Not all nuts are the same, though. Pumpkin seeds are magnesium champs. 1 ounce gives you nearly half your daily needs. Almonds bring both magnesium and potassium to the table. Pistachios are potassium stars, cashews keep your blood flowing smooth, and walnuts fight inflammation with omega-3s. Mix and match them to cover all your bases. So, how many should you eat? A small handful a day, think 20 almonds or 2 spoonfuls of seeds, does the trick. Toss seeds on oatmeal or yogurt, snack on nuts before bed to ease nighttime cramps, or munch them after a walk to refuel muscles. But watch out, nuts are calorie heavy, so don't go overboard. Skip the salty kinds too, they'll dehydrate you and crank up cramp risk. Stick to plain or lightly roasted, and you're golden. Just a heads up, some folks might be allergic to nuts, so if that's you, look for other ways to get magnesium and potassium, like leafy greens or beans. Also, nuts and seeds are high in fiber, which can sometimes upset sensitive stomachs. To avoid bloating or discomfort, stick to plain, raw, or dry roasted nuts and keep portions small. A little goes a long way. For seniors wanting fewer cramps, try adding a small handful of nuts or sprinkling seeds on meals daily. It's tasty, easy, and your muscles will thank you. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, it means a lot to us. Let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. What health topic should we tackle next? We're all ears. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our tips. Stay healthy, stay curious, and catch you in the next one.